We research and develop 7 kinds of aluminum panels as different structure. Here, we specially demonstrate lightweight aluminum panels, enables fast erection and dismantling. This system allows walls, columns, slabs to be casted together in one step, which saves time and labor cost. Follow us to come into our installation progress. First, assemble the wall panel. Operation by crane. Apply the specified form oil on the panel before assembling. Fast connect every panel by short pin. Tie panel needs to be added at each 600 millimeters. Assembling one by one until 20 square meters of wall surface is completed. Installing chored waller and fix it by clamp. Now you're ready to assemble outside corner. Moving assembled panels to appointed site by crane. Assemble inside corner as same progress. Next is connecting 2 opposite walls by tie rod, assembling the cord tie bearing. Install the turnbuckle. Adjust verticality of wall panel. Set up access bracket and platform. When crane is not available, fast erection also can be done. As design drawing from the corner to assemble the wall panel in turn. We supplied the panel width from 100 millimeter to 600 millimeter. Customer can assemble arbitrary as wall size. Excellent stiffness to weight ratio, 22 kilograms per square meter, and match the specially designed pin and wedge. Make installation and dismantling more fast. Now we need to assemble tubular steel waller and through it with tie rod. Follow the whole wall as arranged. Install tie rod for corner and turnbuckle. Set up access bracket and platform. Second, assembling column panel. We can supply a whole column panel as user's column size. Insert tie bolt. Plug extra holes by plastic plug, screwing in lifting eye bolt. Bring another 1 column panel. Insert the tie bolt and fasten it by wing nut. Column panel's size can be adjusted at customer's construction request. Install the turnbuckle and adjust vertically of column panel. Make sure every connection is securely in place and every bolt is tightened. Final assembling slab panel. Specially introduce redesignated early dismantling system. First assemble all main components on the ground and insert it with prop. Adjust the height. Install decking beam. Assembling slab panels from wall to slab corner. Our slab and wall panel can be exchanged each other for use. Components is versatile, fast, and cost-saving. Now we can begin slab, wall, and columns 1 casting. after 2 or 3 days. Forms can be stripped after casting is completed, moving the tie bolt and fasteners. Separate panels from concrete, then system to be separated to some large panels. When you striking the system, first dismantling decking beam and form, keeping props and drop joint to hold the concrete. Then decking beam and panels can be moved to next progress for construction. Any inquiries, feel free to contact us.